Hi! In this video, we are taking a look at the Kriega Rally Pack mounted on the Perun Moto top luggage rack for the KTM 390 Adventure R, X or Enduro. The Rally Pack is a compact tail bag with a capacity of just 2.5 liters. It's designed to carry the essentials only: a basic first aid kit, tools, a spare tube or a few snacks. Realistically, you can fit two of those at the same time. The bag is fully waterproof and built for riders who want a small dedicated storage solution. Because the Rally Pack bolts directly to the rack, there is no chance of it shifting around. Combined with its compact size, it is easy to forget it's even there while riding. Our top luggage rack features pre-drilled holes spaced specifically for this bag, allowing for a clean and seamless integration. To make installation easier, start by removing the inner dry bag and the foam insert to access the inside of the Rally Pack. The mounting hardware includes bolts with large flat heads that sit against the underside of the rack, flush-fitting alloy fasteners that secure the bag from the inside, and nylon spacer washers. Place one nylon washer onto each flush-fitting fastener and set them aside within reach. Insert the bolt from underneath the rack, passing it through the mounting hole and into the bag. From inside, thread on the flush-fitting fastener. Although not shown in the video, we strongly recommend applying a mild thread locking compound. Do not fully tighten at this stage. At the rear of the rack, the bolts are installed through the slots, rather than holes. This provides lateral adjustment, so once all four mounting points are loosely assembled, make sure the bag is centered. Once everything is aligned, the fasteners can be fully tightened. The simplest method is to hold the bolt underneath the rack with one hand, while tightening the inner fastener from inside the bag. Alternatively, the inner fastener can be held in place by hand, while the lower bolt is tightened using a 3 mm Allen key, also from inside the bag, turning it counterclockwise. Both methods work equally well. At the front of the rack, route the safety strap through the dedicated slot. This strap acts as a backup and prevents the bag from coming off the bike in the unlikely event that the mounting fasteners loosen. With that done, reinstall the foam insert and place the inner dry bag back inside. At this point, the bag can be loaded. Here we are fitting a compact first aid kit and a spare front tube. There may still be room for a small snack, but with this load the bag is essentially full. The roll top is closed with at least 3 rolls, and the buckles are clipped into place. Don't forget to secure the safety strap at the front. Once mounted, the Kriega Rally Pack becomes a fixed part of the rack and the bike. It's completely stable with no movement, regardless of riding conditions. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.